just another very quick video before Shaun cleans it, adjusts it with its hood up. Such a cool machine. Look at that. I have to think of a name for him. I've been trying to think of it all the way home, but yeah, I was thinking because we've got RLO, Rolo or something.
Yeah.
What, on the wheels?
No, on the hood.
We'll have to get some proper stuff to do the hood.
I haven't got them still.
Oh, what, from Betsy?
Yeah.
Betsy was our convertible Beetle that we had several years ago. We have missed a soft top.
I like it more and more.
Yeah. Now it's home. It looks good here.
And it went down the thing alright.
Yeah, went down the lane. So as people have probably seen from other videos, we've got a farm track to get down to our house. And we're a little bit worried because he's a little bit low. Got down fine. He said no scrapes at all.
No, really good. I said there won't be if I catch it well. Those things will buff up lovely.
Those headlamps. Yeah.
There's ugly side skirts on that. That metallic blue coming out already.
Yeah. Archer hasn't been playing ball recently. Cool.
Looking good already. Don't be too aggressive with it, so.
No.
It's a quick clean, a quick clay bar, and a quick tea-cut. Literally 5 minutes.
Let's
Just get the worst of it out.
just see what we're working with. So we know we've got a lot to do on it, don't we? But
Yeah, before we start with the DA, and
yeah, which I'm gonna order later.
this is just like first quick clean
Yep,
to see what we're dealing with.
that's all it needs. Just a bit of love.
Yeah,
Yeah,
feeling loved.
it has. Now it will be loved. Cool.